Hey guys, this is Pastor Jeff. Just wanted to give you a couple of tips for when you check in your kids here at Wenatchee First Assembly. If it's your first time here or you've never checked a kid in before, just go ahead and go over to our manned station. We would love to help you out over there, get you all set up and taken care of. If it's your second time or more coming, go ahead and come to one of our self-check kiosks. Put in the last 4 digits of your phone number. That's all you need. And it should pull up a list of people in your household. Now, if you find that there's a lot of extra people in your household, let the person at the manned station know, and we can take care of that for you. Make sure that you're not having to scroll through like 15 or 20 names to find the people that you actually need to check in. Tip number 2 is when you're checking in, there should be a name, and then right under the name is a location of where you're checking into. Make sure that those 2 things match. And then to the left of that is a check mark. The system defaults to the last place that you checked in. Once you've confirmed all of the information, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and hit check in. And the system will print you out a name tag and also one of these fancy security tags. Now, parents, you're going to want to make sure you hang on to these so that you can bring your kids home with you, the same number of kids that you came with at the end of the night. We don't want to take any of your kids home with us, but we will if we have to. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a great day.